Welcome students. A small topic that we have to see today is what is the relationship between the electrical field and the potential difference. So in order to study about the relationship between the electrical field and potential difference, let us consider a point charge. Let us consider a point charge. See, let us take this point charge as Q. If you are considering a point charge Q or plus Q, and if I am diagrammatically, if I am representing it as plus Q, around this charge plus Q, you are having an electrical field E. Now, if you are considering another point inside this electrical field, and on that point, you consider a test charge Q0, or you consider a unit positive charge. Now, this test charge or unit positive charge and this point charge plus Q at this point O are experiencing a repulsive force. Now, this test charge or this unit positive charge is moved towards this point charge by a small distance dx. So, a work has to be done in order to move this charge or the point charge or the test charge, because there will be a force of repulsion. So what will be the work done? Work done is in general given by force into displacement F into dx. When you are considering the work done, the work is said to be done against the force of repulsion. So I am putting a minus. As we know that the electrical field vector or the electrical field E is equal to force per unit charge or unit test charge. So, therefore, if this test charge is unit positive charge, then electrical field E will be then equal to F. If that is the case, then I can say what will be the work done. Take this and substitute in the above equation. So we can say the work done is equal to, so work done is equal to, instead of this F, that is minus, which is representing the work is said to be done against the force of repulsion. Instead of F, I am substituting E into dx. What is electrical field into distance? It is nothing but potential difference dV. So therefore, from this relation I can say electrical field E is equal to minus of dV divided by dx. So E is equal to minus of dV by dx is considered to be the relationship between electrical field and potential difference. Here potential or potential difference divided by distance or length. So this quantity we can say it out as minus of potential gradient. This quantity called to be potential gradient. Any term divided by its distance or the length, the gradient. Here potential divided by length, potential gradient, and this negative sign indicates work is said to be done against the electrical force of repulsion. Therefore, from the above equation we can conclude that electrical field is equal to negative potential gradient. Negative potential gradient. See, from this equation we can able to get another relation, another unit for electrical field. Already we have studied that electrical field is measured in terms of an unit called to be Newton per Coulomb. Here how the electrical field is given? Electrical field E is equal to dV divided by dx with one negative sign. dV measured in terms of volt divided by distance measured in meter. So another unit called to be volt per meter is also used. So this we are calling it out as the relationship between the electrical field and the electrical field as well as the potential or the potential difference. Thank you.